Welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Today we will see how to sow cabbage, cauliflower or broccoli for our hydroponic systems. I am going to sow it into a pro tray with the help of coco peat. So to watch in detail, stay connected to the video. Let's start the video. So now let's start sowing of the seed into the pro tray. We are going to plant broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, kale into our DFT channels as well as into deep water culture buckets and Dutch buckets also. So we have around 400 cavity, and within this three variety we have roughly 130 to 140 plants, plus some of the plants goes to deep water culture bucket and the Dutch bucket with the clay balls also. So we will be preparing 2 trays of each variety. We have this broccoli Farm Sona variety. Then we have a cauliflower. It is PSBK1 variety of Pusa. And we have a private some kale variety. So we are going to plant this into this pro tray. This is 105 cavity pro tray with the square holes, and we have a coco peat with us. We have already moistened this coco peat to the level that when we take this coco peat, you will not feel any water into the hand, and upon pressing this coco peat, it will form the ball, and on shaking this, the ball will get dispersed. So this is the condition of the coco peat we need to maintain. So now let's start filling procedure and sowing procedure. So first what we will do, we will fill this tray with the help of this coco peat. So we are filling this tray slightly more than what we require. Then we will ensure that coco peat will go into the each of the cavity. So we need some more. So once we spread this coco peat, we will place it gently. So the coco peat will fill all the cavity in totality. So once all the cavity is filled, we will remove excess coco peat with the help of a scraper. So now you can see that the tray's top and coco peat fill the top. Now next we need to make the cavity to put the seed. Now cabbage and cauliflower seeds are small in size, so we don't require too deep cavity. So we'll make it either with our finger, or we can take a piece of wood and make a small cavities into this, roughly half centimeter deep. So I am going to make this cavity in all the hole. So now you can see that all the holes are ready. Now we can start planting. So first we are going to plant broccoli seeds. So we'll take some seeds and we'll fill each cavity with only one seed. You can see this. So each plant will have equal space to grow its roots and take the nourishment. So all the plant which grows will be uniform. Like here the 2 seeds are there. I am going to remove one seed, fill this cavity. So we need to ensure that 1 seed per hole. So later on we will be simply transplanting this to the net cups. You can plant other seeds, cabbage, cauliflower and other seeds with a similar method. For hydroponic, we must ensure that the coco peat is pure and with the low EC. For hydroponic seedling preparation, we must use the coco peat without any additives, any addition of the fertilizers. We can give them fertilizer later on with only 10% to 20% strength after 10 days. So we will sow all the seeds and fill all the cavities with 1 seed. So this way we are going to complete this seedling for all the trays. Once we complete this with all the holes, now next we need to cover this. So we will take the coco peat and spread it over all the holes and ensure that each seed will get covered with the enough of coco peat. So now you can see that all these seeds are covered with the coco peat. Now we need to again press it lightly so that all the seeds get fit into the layer of the coco peat and it will get the germination process faster. Once we complete, again we need to remove all the excess coco peat. So the sowing of the seed is complete now. Now once we complete all the trays like this, we'll stack all this tray and cover it. Watch the video till the end, and if you find this video interesting and useful, then give me a like. Also share it with the like-minded people. Express your view in a comment box and feel free to give any suggestions to improve. Let's watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe. So now all the seeds are sown into the trays and we are going to stack this tray also. So we have made this stack with all this sowing. So we complete this stack and then we will cover this stack with the help of a plastic so that no moisture should evaporate. So this plastic will keep all the tray moist enough to help the germination process. So I am simply covering these trays with the help of this plastic like this and covering this up. Now we need to keep checking these trays regularly. After 2 days or 3 days, germination will take place, and at that time we need to again open these trays and spread it for the further process. Now what care we should take after that, what type of nutrition we need to give, for that I will make a separate video and update you on that. But for now this process is over. Thank you.